Hello children, let's learn some colors name. Green color, dark green color, brown color, navy blue color, blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color. Capital letters and numbers. See green color. A. Yellow color. B. Orange color. C. Dark green color. D. Blue color. E. Red color. F. Purple color. Z. Orange color. H. Dark green color. I. Blue color. Z. Red color. K. See green color. L. Yellow color. M. Red color. N. Numbers. Violet color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Light pink color. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Please like my video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.